Hello, I'm gonna teach you how to rotate a camera around an object here in After Effects. So, first, let's create a camera with Ctrl Alt Shift C. Hit OK. And let's position the camera holding Alt, and with a click you can move the view. With the right click you can zoom in and zoom out, and with the middle mouse click you can move the camera around. So I want to move the camera around this object. So let me position the camera first. Uh, Why it's so hard? It's so difficult to control the camera here. It should be easier, like in Blender. You just use the keys to move the camera around. So let me position the camera like here, a little further away. Okay, I think here. Let me see if it's right in the middle. Yeah, I think that's the middle. So I want to make the camera to rotate around this orbit text. So to make that, we have to create a null. So press Ctrl Alt Shift Y. Yeah, it's a long shortcut. And let's turn this null 3D by clicking here. And let's position the null in the same position as the text. So hold the parent pick whip and hold shift to make the null go to the same position as the orbit. Because if you don't hold shift, it will keep its original position. So hold shift and drag the pick whip. There you go. Now we have to parent the camera to this null. We can change the name of the null, something like camera controller. There you go. And now to move the camera around this orbit, go to the null properties, hit R to open the rotation, and here you just have to change the rotation. And in this easy way you can rotate the camera around the object. You can even change the position. So if you change the position of the null, also the camera will change its position. And let me unlink and parent the camera to the null and move the null further away. You can even change the position of the null and parent the camera again without holding shift. And now the camera will orbit this point. So let's change the null rotation, and now it will be rotating around this point that is farther away. So yeah, that's all for today's tutorial. You can find this project file in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya!